Hello everyone, I just want to say thank you. At Western Union, we call our customers, our consumers, heroes because they inspire us. You inspire us every time you send money to your loved ones. And as I'm, like most of you, also an immigrant, which recently moved to the US about 5 years ago. And every time I was sending money back, it was more than sending a transaction, more than filling out a form. It was sending love, sending my thoughts to give them a better life, to give them an education, like you do every time. Our customers teach us every time why we should do the service better so they can support their loved ones. That inspires me to wake up and to come to this office and lead this company. I just want to say thank you being such a loyal Western Union customer.